Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Skullcandy Dime with iPhone. And to do this you will need to open a case with your earbuds, remove them. Now in some cases they might enter pairing mode automatically, so we can check Bluetooth on our phone. And look for other devices, but they're not here. So another way to pair them is to click on the skull button on both of the earbuds and make sure that they are powered off. You will hear it in the notification. Then hold the same button for a bit longer till you hear pairing mode. Now you should see your Dime black, click on them to connect. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.